Clear Analytics can dynamically query databases and inject data right into Excel or Power BI. How do we do this? Through a dynamic query builder. We can unlock data buried in your ERP, data warehouse or cloud CRM and have Clear Analytics inject that data right into Excel or Power BI. We can do this by having a semantic layer. As we understand your database, we can query it through SQL and allow you to drag and drop the output data into Excel. Let's see this in action. In the Clear Analytics ribbon in Excel, you can click on Repository and navigate through all of the fields that are available to the user in your database. Let's just pick a few fields here. You can also filter to find your fields. Then we move on to preview the data. The Clear server fetches the data. Once fetched, you simply drag and drop the data onto the sheet to view the fresh cut of data you have just extracted from the database. We now have the opportunity to filter the data. Let's ensure we only see client data. We then go back to preview and re-query the data. You can see everything has now client information. We can save that query and then drag and drop from the private space into shared, where we can specify users or a role for us to share that query to. Once we incorporate the query into a report, you can now leverage the capabilities of Excel's Power BI by loading the data into Power Query or loading the data into a Power Pivot model to create a comprehensive set of reports and visualizations right in Excel. You also have the ability to publish to OneDrive for Business or SharePoint to enable the data to be used in Power BI Desktop or the portal. Once published to Power BI portal, your dashboards and reports are available on all Android and iOS devices, including your iWatch. Clear Analytics truly boosts your investment in Power BI, empowering business users for the first time to get the data they need and publish to Power BI without the help of IT. This is self-service BI, a must for every company, large or small.